Day. What does it mean? Republic Day is the celebration of the day our constitution came into effect. गणतंत्र दिवस वह दिवस है जब हमारा संविधान लागू हुआ था. It tells us how our country should be governed and what are our rights and what are our duties. As we all know that our country got independence on 15th August 1947. From 15th August 1947, we were not under the control of the Britishers. We were our own master. There was not any law over us. But if we are not under anyone's control, if we are not under any rule or regulation, then it will create chaos in the society. There will be disorder in the society. And that's why the constitution was made. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it. It was completed on 26th November 1949. And that day on 26th November we celebrate the Constitution Day. And it was implemented after 2 months on 26th January 1950. So from 26th January 1950 we are under the Constitution. Now we have to follow the Constitution. Now what is this Constitution? A Constitution is a rule book that tells us that how our country should be run. What are our rights and what are our duties? Just as in a family, rules are essential among children to maintain discipline. In the same way, a constitution is necessary to govern a nation. If children are allowed to do whatever they like in the family, what will happen? They will keep roaming outside till late night. The result may be they can harm someone or they can be harmed by someone. Both things can happen. So, rules are necessary to run a family smoothly. If rules are made, followed in a family, the result is a happy family. Same way, the constitution is made and followed, result a prosperous nation. So, the constitution was made. This day, we can't forget Baba Saheb Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the chief architect of our constitution. He was the chairman of the drafting committee and he gave us our rights. So, we have a magical book of constitution that enables every citizen to live with dignity and respect. Now what is there in this magical book? What is written in this magical book? Let me tell you, there are some rights and duties. So what are our rights? हमारे अधिकार क्या हैं? So we have the right of education. Everyone, every girl, every boy has the right of education. Everyone has the right of equality. Everyone will be treated equally, no matter which color he is, whether he is fair color, whether he is dark color. Everyone will be treated properly, whether he is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian. We have the right to express our thoughts and opinions. We have the right of property. Girls, do you know what is your right of property? Do you know that you have a right of property? And it is a major right that is written in our constitution, but our girls are unaware. You are unaware. What happens that when a girl gets married, she goes to her in-laws' house, she is given some furniture, an almirah, some utensils and a few other household items as dowry. This is not her share of her father's property. And if there is a dispute in her in-laws' house, she is told, leave the house, go away from here. Now what happens to the girl? She doesn't have a share in either her parental property or in her in-laws' property. Now she is left with nothing. She is empty-handed. So see her fate, she is empty-handed. On the other hand, girls also hesitate asking their share of property from their brothers because they think that if they ask their share of their father's property from their brothers, their brothers might feel upset and they might not invite them to their homes. That's why they hesitate and they don't ask. The result is that the half of the population of India, the girls, the ladies, they are always on the mercy of their father, their husbands, their brothers. But our constitution, which was implemented on this day, on 26th January, this constitution gives us the right to have our share of our father's property. It is written in the constitution, but actually the reality is totally different. The girl either has to knock the cord, then she will be given. I think every girl should be given her share of her father's property by the law, by the time of her marriage. It must be given so that she may be financially independent. So these are our rights. I think our little girls, they are also unaware about it. So you have the right equally to your brothers. If there are two boys and a girl in a family, the property of father will not be divided into two parts. It will be divided equally into three parts. So we must be aware about this, our right. So we are thankful to Dr. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, who thought so much for the half of the population of India. He gave us this right and we are grateful to him. Today we remember him and bow our head for him. And the magical book of Constitution. So these are our rights. Now let me tell you what are our duties. Just as we have some rights, we also have some duties. So in our Constitution, we must respect our national flag and national anthem. We must remember and honor our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Rani Lakshmibai and many more. We must respect the court, the government and the police. We must respect everyone of any background, whether he is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian. We must protect our environment, our forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife. So these are our duties that are mentioned in our constitution, which was implemented on this day on 26th January 1950. And on personal level, we can do some little things like we can plant trees, we can save water, we can save electricity, we can wear helmet while we ride a scooty or bike, and we can be good neighbor. So this way we can help and we can fulfill our duty of being a good citizen. So let's make this world a beautiful place to live and let's be the one who can bring change in the world. So these are our rights and these are our duties which we have to fulfill, and this day reminds us our duties and our rights. So I hope that the girls would have learnt what is their right, and we have to do excellence in our field. We have to do excellence whatever we are doing. So that's all, and lots of wishes for Republic Day, and know your rights, know your duties also. Thank you so much.